Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I did another prom look, and I probably said this like 10 million times in the video, but I'm not sure how I feel about these bottom lashes. But let me know how you guys feel about them. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then make sure you guys keep watching. So since today I'm just using glitter pigments instead of actual eyeshadow, I'm going to be priming my eyelid first using this eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. Also, how y'all feel about these bottom lashes? Because I don't know, I did them before and I feel like it looked like a spider or something weird. I don't know, I kind of like it today though. I like it. I really don't know how much of this stuff to use, so hopefully that wasn't too much. But I just used that to keep my eyelid from creasing. Okay, so I got glitter everywhere, but now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Concealer in the shade Pure Beige as soon as I find it. I just had it, yo. Today we're going to be using the James Charles palette, and the first color I am using is this one right here. I'm using the E17 from Morphe, and I'm going to take this color right here and pack it into my crease. I didn't realize I was at the camera. That's on the M506. I'm going to pick up this red to blend out this burgundy, and then you're going to see me use this orange on the same brush. So even though y'all might not be able to tell, it's kind of harder to blend with that the eyeshadow primer on my eye. That's why I don't use it, because I don't like it really, but it does its job, but it makes my job harder. I mean, it's not that bad. I'm probably just being extra, but okay, so I'm going to take my large smoothing brush that y'all see me pick up literally in every video. It has no makeup in it, but I just use it to blend everything together. Okay, and now I'm going to go back into the very first color, the burgundy, and add some more because it kind of got lost. Even though it's going to get lost again. And y'all, something that helps me blend better, like instead of holding my brush back here, I don't know if anybody even holds their brush all the way back there, but I kind of hold mine like literally like it's a pencil. So on the same M506 that I used for the red and orange, I'm going to pick up a little bit of B, which is just the yellow from the palette, and just kind of tap some of it off and just put a little bit up here. So you might be like, Kirsten, what was the point in doing it? And really, it just kind of brought out the orange a little bit more. Y'all see the difference? No? Okay. Also from the James Charles palette, I'm going to use a E18 and pick up the matte black. It's like the only black in the palette, but I'll still show it to you. This one. And so I'm going to go in to my crease and kind of do that one pretty heavy. And this brush is kind of small. I'd rather use a small brush when I'm using black, just because I'm not, well, black is hard to work with sometimes and you don't want to put too much at one time. You don't want to put too much at all, but y'all get what I'm saying. Like, this is like the perfect size for me to get into my crease. So I'm just going to take my time and buff this out with this little brush. And then once I get it blended, then I'm going to add some more. And then blend it and then add some more. Because right now, at least to me, it's kind of coming off as a dark purple. I want it to be black, so... Okay, y'all, so I think that's enough black. I'm gonna cut my crease halfway with my Revolution Conceal and the Fine Concealer in the shade C1. And I was watching Nessa, it was like one of my best friends here on YouTube. And I didn't even know that Makeup Revolution had, what is it, a cut crease base or something for you to cut your crease with. And she basically said it wasn't all that great. Or was it like a, I don't know if it was like a cut crease or I forgot what it was. But anyway, I'll put her video on the screen if you guys want to check it out. She compared it to the P. Louise base that I really need to get. I don't know why I haven't gotten it yet. And this is the E17 that I put down the burgundy with. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut my crease. And the brush I'm using for that is an M213. You would think I had these memorized by now from how much I use them, but... I don't know if y'all noticed, but I actually cut my crease up a little bit higher than usual today because I noticed when people do prom looks, they usually hook the crease up pretty high, and I actually like the way it looks, so. So picking up some more matte black on the same E17, I want to blend out the edge over here. So the pigments I'm using are from Omas, I think that's how you say it, O-M-A-S Cosmetics. And the first one I'm using is in the shade Ruby. Okay, so my concealer kind of dried, so I'm gonna take some, I guess I'll use my glitter, my NYX glitter primer. I'm gonna put that down on top of here so it'll stick better and hopefully show up better. I'm gonna use the brush I used to cut my crease to put it down. So the next color I'm using is called Dynamite. And the last ones I'm using is a mixture of Gold Showers, you probably can't even see them, and White Diamond. I forgot they were on my hand. This one was Gold Showers and this one is White Diamond. Okay, so now I'm going to line my bottom waterline with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. It's just a white eyeliner. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on. But I'm going to add like little individual lashes off camera. I just don't even know if I like them. Okay, so this is not cute at all. It's cute from a distance, but if I come closer, it looks like it's spiders crawling out of my eyes. So, I think I'm going to take these off. Wait, before I take them off though, I'm going to do my highlighter. I'm going to take the Gold Showers pigment that I use on my eyelids. No, I'm just playing. it's weird. I like it in person, but when I look in the camera, it's like, I don't know. Actually don't look that bad. I don't know. I got mixed feelings about it. Alright, you guys, so we are done with this look. I'm sorry, it's like glitter literally everywhere. Like I said, I'm not really sure how I feel about the bottom lashes, but you guys can definitely like not do them if you don't like them, because I don't really know how I feel about them. I still like, I don't know. But let me know what you guys think about this look down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. I know I said that in my last video where I mentioned it in the comments, but I want you guys to actually hear me say it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.